Puss? Are you stuck upstairs? Come on. Come on. I know. Oh, come on, baby girl. Come on. Come on. You're stuck up there, aren't you? I tried to get you down there. It's okay. Daddy, car's out in the garage, so you can't jump that far down. Right? Come on, baby girls. Oh, baby girls. You scared cat. Good girls. I'm trying to get you down here. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Mama, get you. Baby girls. Oh, baby girls. You're really trying to figure out how to get down up there, aren't you? Oh, you crazy cat. Oh, God almighty. Oh, Beth. Damn it. I'll call Daddy and let him know you're stuck up there. So you can climb on the car and get down. I don't have a ladder. I do, but I can't imagine where it'd be in here. No. Oh, my God almighty. Alright. Alright, Puss. I'll go call Daddy.